energized. Oh. Are you ready to go on more trip? More hikes? This is Toby and she loves stuffed animals. Oh, you dropped it. Oh. Indy tears them apart, but Toby just holds them and treats them like her baby. She doesn't want it right now though because I'm trying to make it.
We are leaving our Airbnb today and we're heading toward Shetty Camp.
Woo!
Woo! More hikes. A little overcast today. Makes those colors pop.
It's really,
just crazy.
So crazy! I'm so happy. This is such a good fall. I mean, knock on wood. Doesn't like get stormy for a few days or anything, but we'll see.
Watch out, everybody! Skylar's driving. Stay off the road today.
I am a self-proclaimed bad driver. I'm okay with it. I'm very aware. Vehicles scare me, and like damage they could cause scares me. It's not that it scares me. It's just like I know what I'm in charge of, and that scares me. But I'm like good enough to drive. I'm not selling myself.
It has taken us about 2 hours just to get to Buttereau. It's so pretty everywhere. Took us 2 extra hours to get all the way around Shetty Camp.
It's not my fault. It's the eagle's fault. It is not my fault. It's the eagle's fault. The eagle was looking so majestic.
We're gonna quickly check out Lady Buttereau. Never done this one before, not sure what to expect. Quick warm up before Blueberry.
And she's still doing the like. It's not
chill
hard
out, Toby. Chill. Wow. This is cool. What's going on, Indy? What do you see? Yeah, wow. What's up, guys?
So nice to finally meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Hiya! We just met up with a large crew, and we're gonna hike Blueberry for sunset.
It's not raining. It's misting. It's not raining. God darn it. It's not raining.
We're going up there. Well, this is the top, and you can't see a thing. Sex.
Food of some sort, and then we're going to camp at Cape Clear. So we'll have a sunrise in the morning. I'm walking backwards up a hill.
We have arrived at Cape Clear. Set up the tent. I'll be sleeping in there. And Skylar is going to sleep in the back of the rig. We have arrived at Cape Clear, and I will be sleeping in the tent with the doggos. And Skylar's gonna sleep in the car, because you can do that, because it's big enough. Why are you sleeping in the car? Why not? Why won't you sleep in the tent with me?
Sure, I can sleep in the tent if you want me to.
Here we go, moment of truth. How was your first time at Cape Clear, Toby?
Was it her first time ever?
It was.
It was.
It was.
She didn't jump off the cliff, so I think it was a success. We kept her on leash like the whole time.
Indy's a veteran.
Indy's what?
She knows her cliffs. She's a veteran. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, not bad at all. Quick stop at the Dancing Goat for breakfast. Woo!
It's one of our favorite spots to grab yum-yums on the island.
They actually have live goats in there.
No, they don't. He said, I could have taken a picture of him. He's the most handsome guy in all of Cape Breton. He's from Lewisdale and he picked up some goodies and he's taking them home with him. Doesn't know what he got though because his wife picked them all out, but there's probably cookies in there to have with tea later. What else? I said we're from Akogama and he said, oh, I drove through there. Didn't look left or right. I just went right through. And I'm like, you had a destination in mind? He's like, yep. Probably could have went home with him. They're so nice.
Now we're heading back to Shetty Camp and we're gonna hike Black Mountain or Montagne Noir.
Montagne Noir.
We're gonna meet up with some friends from yesterday and hike that.
There's so many fall colors that literally everywhere you look, there's just like this pretty orange or red or yellow. Like,
it's amazing.
The mirror behind this camera, I'm like looking at the camera, but I'm really looking at the mirror behind the camera because it's so pretty.
Wouldn't recommend taking your car down this road unless you have some sort of
It's got a
SUV.
Bronco Sport! This road is so bumpy, but it's also so beautiful.
That was nothing, was it?
I was fucking down this road every...
You just want to take us bushwhacking. David's just creating a trail that makes us suffer.
This is a really tough hike, but worth it. So worth it. Kyler finally got a drone. He doesn't know how to fly it. And he cut his finger.
Yeah. And then I just crashed it right
Here,
there.
I'll hold it and you can take off from my hand.
Alright.
You just gotta press up.
You good?
Yeah, do it. Go like down and towards your chest. Like in a bit. And then press up. Up. Oh. see if we can catch it.
Why is it going so slow?
Put it back in sport and bring it down. There you go.
I'm scared.
That's all you do.
You just gotta like.
You can just catch it. Like
When I grabbed it, I
you
must
grab
have
it
like.
this.
What's that?
You can grab it like kind of like that.
See, the trick
That's
is you have to
still so
approach it from the
sketchy.
side, grab it through the blade.
I don't know what I did when I caught it, but like. I think I stuck my finger too far up on the side.
Yeah. What are you doing up there? You're actually really high up.
Well, you have to breathe out.
Oh no. Hang on. You did it.
There's a lot of trees by my feet.
Oh, that's planned.
It's like my 8th day.
Oh my god.
That's adorable.
That's crazy.
Hikes for it.
Oh yeah.
Like, jump into my arms.
You get pretty
Oh my
burnt out.
god, they're so good.
Time to go down. Flying down. Cruising down.
Oh, they're already going.
I actually packed a paragliding. I'm gonna Woo!
But even
Thirsty?
there's a lot of like level.
How was that?
That was rough.
You gotta sit on the.
Was it crumbling? It's like this.
That's a lot of weight, man.
Is this okay, like weight wise?
Oh yeah.
I just
Oh
want.
yeah, it's fine.
I just. Hey, Lawrence.
Hi, Lawrence.
Don't mind me just like. Thank you so much again.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you all.
Thanks for the beer.
That was
That
good.
was the best.
Black Mountain was really, really fun.
It was so much fun. It's so beautiful right now too, and there's still time for the colors to even pop up more. So
It's an amazing spot. Now we're heading to Indisheti Camp. We're gonna, hopefully the co-op is open.
grab some.
Grab
Boom.
Dins, and then we're heading north. Not really sure where we're gonna end up tonight.
It's an adventure.
We're camping somewhere.
Camping again. Chicken nuggies.
Crispy chicken strips and a salad in a co-op parking lot. This is the way.
Bon appetit. Oh, did you just see that?
Sunset location for tonight. This is our camp spot for tonight. We're gonna chill for a minute and watch some Squid Games, and we'll see you for sunrise in the morning. Don't spoil it for us. No spoilers.
For Squid Games?
Yeah.
I mean, by the time we make this video, maybe we'll be done. We take forever to watch stuff though sometimes, because it's like, oh, we'll watch an episode before bed, but we'll be so tired
Fall asleep.
that we just like end up falling asleep. So we usually watch about 20 minutes of and then go to bed. Good night.
Good night.